Hello everyone, my name is Rachita Mathur, currently working as a legal intern at LEXIS. So today I will be discussing a case where Supreme Court gives bail to a man to take care of a 3-year-old daughter. So the facts of this case are: the man's wife in August last year found hanging in the house in Agra. Her family claimed that she was being murdered for dowry. The man's family then maintained the woman died by the suicide after 2 miscarriages, so the couple had adopted the girl. The father-in-law then filed a dowry theft and harassment case against the man. The Agra police then conclude that the woman was being died by suicide after being allegedly tortured for dowry. The husband was arrested on 7th of August last year, while the Allahabad High Court granted an anticipatory bail to his parents, sister and brother. His father-in-law challenged the bail in Supreme Court last December. The Supreme Court said that the suicide note of the woman was being leaked in the media within 2 days of her death and that it compromised within the fairness of the investigation. The Supreme Court has granted an interim 6 weeks bail to a man who is accused of dowry demand and causing his wife's death to allow him to take care of his 3-year-old sick daughter. The court further noted that the man's father-in-law also wanted the accused out for the sake of the child. Hence, while considering the facts that the 3-year-old daughter of the petitioner is suffering from anemia and that she needs optimum care and supervision, the court deemed fit at this stage to release the petitioner on the interim bail for the period of 6 weeks set by the bench. At the end, I want to conclude that dowry theft, which is provided under section 304B of Indian Penal Code 1860, the main crux or the main ingredient of this definition is where the death of a woman is caused by any burn or bodily injury or occurs other than the normal circumstances. Second ingredient is that should have been occurred within 7 years of the marriage. Third, woman has been subject to cruelty or harassment by her husband or any relatives of her husband. Fourth, such cruelty or harassment shall be in connection with any demand for dowry. Fifth, such cruelty or harassment should be in connection with or soon before her death. If the death of a woman satisfies the above circumstances, the husband and his relative shall presume to have caused a dowry death and shall be held liable for the offence. Now, harassment means the behavior that appears to be disturbing, upsetting or threatening. The term harassment is one of the kind or is one of the form of discrimination. It includes any unwanted physical or verbal behavior, second, or that behavior which humiliates or embarrasses a person. There are total 7 types of harassment. The first harassment is mental harassment, second is physical, third is discriminatory, fourth is sexual harassment, fifth is harassment that is being based on gender, race, caste, sex, etc. Sixth is emotional or psychological harassment. Seventh is online harassment. Although mental harassment has not been defined under Indian Penal Code 1860, but the punishment of harassment is being provided under section 498A of Indian Penal Code, which states that husband or relatives of husband of a woman subject her to cruelty shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend up to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. Thank you.